Rare bird vocabulary. 50 rare bird name in English with picture. Let's start the video. Green broadbill. Bachman's warbler. Cebu flowerpecker. Emperor penguin. King penguin. Philippine eagle. Regent honeyeater. European roller. Dusky starfrontlet. Booby. Atlantic puffin. Black robin. Saddleback. Black stork. Blue crane. Black-faced spoonbill. Barbet. Swift parrot. Bear's patchard. Chatham albatross. Balearic shearwater. Chinese crested tern. Fairy bluebird. Snow petrel. Great bustard. Gurney's pitta. Blue lorikeet. Azores bullfinch. Bearded vulture. California condor. Lear's macaw. Golden parakeet. Bengal florican. Gray-crowned crane. Dalmatian pelican. Great-eared nightjar. Egyptian vulture. Little bustard. Helmet vanga. Forest owlet. Crested ibis. Giant ant pitta. Great argus. Hawaiian crow. Hoat sin. Himalayan quail. Kerguelen shag. Leban lark. Congo peafowl. Harpy eagle. Thanks for watching.